Today I will talk about how can you enable chip-in indicator on your Truecaller app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on message and you just click on it. Then you come to next here, you just go down, you keep going down here. You come here to chip-in indicator, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's mean chip-in indicator enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.